Good morning everyone, welcome back to the weekly vlog. Woo! The crowd goes wild, they cheer, they scream. My hair is looking, I was about to say my hair's looking awfully flat today, but then it went to quite the opposite. Got a bit of red on today, feels a bit odd, also kind of like it. This jumper is from Miss Pap. If you watched last week's weekly vlog, right at the end of the vlog I went into Chelmsford to film a little bit of a video. Today I'm going back into Chelmsford to continue that video. This morning I've been out for a drive, I've washed off my top layer of fake tan. Last night I used the St. Moritz dark tan for the first time. I usually use the medium, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to try the dark. To be honest, I don't think it looks that different. I kind of want to try the darker than dark, but that's the one that's like a bit risky. I mean, I like the dark, I think I'll probably stick with the dark now. But anyway, let's go into Chelmsford and probably get a Starbucks or a McDonald's iced caramel frappe. Also, how good is this thing my dad gave me, right? So it goes on your car keys, also. Look how extra my car keys are, love it. So it goes on your car keys and this bit pops out and then this goes in like trolleys when you're shopping. It's so handy. I used it yesterday for the first time and I actually felt like I had my adult life together. So if you haven't got a pound, doesn't matter. We've just got into Chelmsford. It's quite busy, but it's not actually as busy as I thought it was going to be. So now we're going to go into Primark and see what we can find for this video. Hello again everyone. So we've just finished shopping and we've been into Tesco and got some more food, and I've just got myself a £3 meal deal. I've got the smelliest lunch ever, so I bet you're so glad to be stuck in the car with me. But the first thing I got is spicy chicken pasta. This is one of my, well, the cheese and tomato version of this is my favourite, but I thought I'd try this one today. And then I've also got some pickled onion Monster Munch, which are one of my favourite crisps ever, but they absolutely stink. And to drink I've got a big bottle of Volvic strawberry, which is my favourite water. For you guys, it probably looks like I haven't moved. I've actually gone home, done a whole load of things, and then remembered there's something else I need to do today. So we are now heading out to a charity shop for this video. And sorry if my arm's moving around a lot, this road's really bumpy. So I'm going to a charity shop to get some more items for this video, and then I will go home. Whoa! And I've got some more editing to do, so that's what I'm currently doing. It's a bit of a last minute rush, but I'm sure we'll make it. So I'm home and I thought I would show you what I bought from Primark today, because I've got some right good little things. I didn't get that much though, it only came to a tenner. How good is that? But the first thing that I got, finally got my slippers. Right, so these were £3 and they're memory foam. They're comfortable, they do go flat. I had a pair last year, but for £3 you could buy a new pair every year. The ones in John Lewis were exactly like this. They were a little bit more fluffy and they were white, but they were £18. No thank you, I'd much rather pay £3 and then just get some new ones next year. So they're my new slippers, love them. Then I also got a couple of pairs of ankle socks. So I got these white ones and these black ones. I thought these would look really cute in the summer if I'm wearing a little skirt and then my Vans, because I want to get a pair of black Vans that are the same as my white ones. So these with the white Vans, little ankle socks, I think they'll look adorable, and little black ones too. Then I saw, these are very Essex, got this pair of flip-flops which are incredibly blingy for £4. I just thought these were pretty, and if you go into a posh barbecue they'd be great. And the final thing I got was something that I got at the checkout in those little baskets that you definitely don't need. We have a little fold away shopping bag. I got this to keep in my car because I never seem to have shopping bags, and because I paid £1 for it I'm not going to lose this one. Then today I also had a Boohoo delivery, because I was on the Boohoo website the other day and Boohoo have some really nice bits in at the minute. So I only ordered 3 things, but their Pepsi range just came out and I absolutely love it. Like, I'm so about it. So I bought something from the Pepsi range. I haven't tried any of this stuff on yet, so I'm going to try it on in a minute and I'll show you what it looks like on. But the first thing is I got a matching like tracksuit set. So these are the trousers, they're navy blue. They've got like tigers down them. I don't know, yeah, you can see that. How cool is that? And when they're on, the tigers look like this. And then as it gets further down the leg, we have a little pink patch, and it also says Pepsi times Boohoo on the bottom. I think that's really cute, and I think these joggers with a little pink bralette type top in this shade of pink, well cute. And then the top is a hoodie. It's got the pale pink inside the hood. It's a drawstring hoodie, got some pink on the shoulders, got the same tigers, and the bottom of it is also drawstring, so I really like that. And this set together was £35. It feels really, really nice quality, like really soft on the inside, nice and long, very sturdy material. Would highly recommend this, it feels absolutely lovely. And then I was just on the new in clothing section on the website, and they have like this collection, I think it's called the Woman collection. Everything says women on it. I think these do actually. Yeah, on the drawstrings, these say woman. I'm not sure what that is, if it's like another collection or if that's just like Boohoo's new thing. And I also got this yellow sweatshirt. I love the colour of this. I thought with my dark fake tan, just can't go wrong. It's going to look so nice. So the front of it is just plain and it says woman, obviously. I'm sure you can read. It's cropped, but it's not too cropped. It's got nice long sleeves, but the back of it is what I love. The back of it is basically open, like the whole thing. And then the bottom of the back is elasticated. Stretchy McStretchy. I'm going to try it on and make sure I like it first. But I think if I do, I'm going to order this little like cross back bra thing I've seen from Shein, because it's only like £6 or whatever, because obviously it's like an open back, so I don't want to be wearing like a normal bra underneath it because they're not the prettiest things. So yeah, that's what I got from Boohoo. These things, love them. Guys, I'm a bit sad. Now I kind of wish they came separately because I absolutely love the trousers. Like, I'm going to keep the set because I love the trousers so much. They are so cute. I love them. And I think with a white top or a little pink top, they would just be adorable. But the top is way too cropped for my liking. I never wear anything this cropped. I'm just not a fan. It does make me feel better that you can like pull it in, so at least like nothing is on show. I'm not a fan of that. It's a shame because like the sleeves are really long, it's really comfortable. I really like the design of it. I just don't like how short it is. Like, why is it this short, please? Why is life so hard? Please, tell me. On the other hand, obviously I wouldn't wear this sweatshirt with these joggers. I'm planning on wearing this sweatshirt like when it's quite warm outside and I can wear a little black skirt with it, or little black ripped shorts, or even like some black jeans, who knows. But I love the colour of this. I think it's so cute. And I never usually wear yellow because someone once told me that blondes shouldn't wear yellow. Why have I stuck to that fake rule for all these years? Because I love this. I think it looks well nice. Obviously I just have my normal bra on now, but imagine it with like a black crisscross bra. I love this one and I love these joggers. These two items, big yes from me. Loving Boohoo right now. Hey guys, me again. Today is Saturday. It's actually the bank holiday weekend. It's been a couple of days since I've vlogged. I'm sorry about it, but not really. This week's weekly vlog is going to be a bit here, there and everywhere because of my schedule and things I'm up to. But this weekend, my parents and I have decided we're going to spend the bank holiday weekend in Windsor. Last week when we were watching the royal wedding, we were all like, oh, it looks so lovely. Like, I've always wanted to go to Windsor. So this week, we're going. We've booked ourselves into a Premier Inn for a couple of nights. We've booked to go to Windsor Castle tomorrow and to St George's Chapel, which is like where Harry and Meghan got married. So I'm going to try and bring you with me. I don't know how much I'm allowed to film in Windsor Castle. I guess we'll have to wait and see, but we're just about to head off. It's only about an hour and a half from where I live, so it's not far at all.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming.
Hi guys, welcome to Windsor day 2. I didn't film much yesterday because I felt too awkward because everyone here is a little bit posh. So this is my vlogging angle for today. Look at the flags behind me. Dun, 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 dun. This is so awkward.
I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying.
We've got our audio guides, but we can't understand them. We don't know how to use it.
Can't what?
We can't hear each other either. It's a bit confusing. We can't hear each other. It's like a silent disco. Oh, say can we see? Please excuse the planes, ruining the royal vibe. This is going to be like my future house when I'm older. Can you hear me? Oh, can you? I thought you couldn't hear me. Oh, you not got your thing on? Put your earphones on.
No, I'm listening to you, it's fun.
You're missing it. You're missing the commentary about the castle.
I'm the other ear.
Oh, this people having a selfie. It's like a silent disco. Nobody's really talking because everyone's listening. Around this bit of green is where Harry and Meghan drove after the wedding, I think. Don't quote me on that. Fun fact for you, all the Queen's corgis are dead. This is the only one left. That's a really morbid fact actually. Bad news guys, this thing just told me that I'm not allowed to take my camera inside. What a bore. Excuse me Queenie, why are you not letting me show my vlog what's inside your house please? So we've just come out of the castle. It was really good actually, look here it is behind me. Bye bye Windsor Castle. Now I'm gonna go and get a Starbucks because I am so thirsty. What on earth is this? What a driving car crash. I've just got on a bus tour. Bit of a spontaneous decision, but here we go. Trying to work out where to put your earphones in.
There, I've got it. See?
Make sure it's English as well.
You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know.
Morning everyone. I told you this vlog was going to be a bit all over the place. I don't even know what the day is today. I think it's Thursday. Who knows at this point? But I'm just about to head out and take my cousin her birthday present because it's her birthday tomorrow. I'm driving to the station to pick up my tickets because tomorrow I'm actually going to Leeds. So I thought it might be worth vlogging today because I'm going to be getting ready for the weekend. But that's about it. So bet you're so glad you clicked on this video. Currently in Wicks. The most exciting update for you ever. I've been to the station, I've got my tickets for tomorrow. I've been to home base. I'm absolutely starving, I've not eaten yet today. So when I get back, I'm gonna have lunch and I've been thinking about it all morning, I'm not gonna lie. Yes, we love a chef. I'm currently making lunch, so I thought I would show you what I'm making. Get yourselves out of this pan. So today for lunch, I am having a chicken tikka wrap. This is just some chicken tikka breast strips. You get them in like a frozen bag from pretty much any supermarket. Super easy to cook, super easy to do. And I'm gonna add to it some lettuce, spring onions, and red, yellow, and orange peppers, and a little bit of salad cream. So let's do that. This is honestly delicious, and I've not had this lunch for, I'm not exaggerating, years, and I miss it. This is my very gourmet lunch. And I'm also having a glass of orange juice with it. My mum used to make chicken tikka wraps for me and my brother's friends, my friends, all the time when we were younger. And the other day we went to go and see my brother and his best friend because they're coming back to our house next week, I think, to start doing like the garden. We're having our patio redone and that's what they both do as a living. So they're coming back to do that. So they'll be here for a couple of weeks. And my brother's friend was like, oh, we can have those chicken tikka wraps we used to have, because we literally had them all the time as kids. And I was like, oh my gosh, we need to get some chicken tikka for when they come. So we've got some. I'm testing it out, making sure it's all right. I'm sure it will be. I absolutely love this. It is delicious. Highly recommend you try it if you haven't. That's my little backstory of my lunch today. Also, my mum and I just went into Sainsbury's while we were out, and I picked up this mug. How cute is this? It says time for a cuppa, and I love this shade of pink. So pretty. It was like £3 something. Oh my gosh, guys, my bra from Shein with the crisscross back has arrived, so I'm gonna try it on with the yellow jumper now. I'm so excited about this. I love the way this looks at the back, but the bra is way too small. I definitely should have sized up, but it's such a shame because it looks so pretty at the back. Guys, something exciting has happened. I was just sitting here editing this vlog that you're watching right now, and I knew that around today or tomorrow or possibly the day after I was going to hit 300,000 subscribers, and I thought, oh, I'll just check my phone just to like see how far away I am. What is that madness? That is such a big number. That's like low-key scary. My hand's shaking a little bit. It's just absolute madness to me that that many people still want to watch me after all these years. Like, for quite a long time I thought I'd had my peak on YouTube and like it was gonna slow down from now because it just felt too good to be true, but it just keeps like getting better. I think recently everyone has suffered from their views dropping on YouTube due to algorithms, the type of content that is popular on YouTube nowadays. But do you know what, like, I am so happy with the way my channel is right now. People always say to me like, oh, do you get hate comments, and like, how does it bother you? And I'm like, I don't get any hate comments. It is such a miracle. I feel like I have such a nice number and a nice group of people watching my videos that I would never want to change that for a million years. Honestly, you could offer me someone else's channel that's got millions of subscribers, but if they get hate comments, I don't want it. I love the community that we have built up so much. I feel like everyone's so friendly, so lovely, so funny as well. Like, the comments in my videos always make me laugh so much, so I wouldn't want to change anything for the world, but I'm gonna sneeze. Good timing, hand. But yeah, I just think it's unbelievable that we have built up a community of 300,000 lovely people. Who even knew there was that many lovely people in the world? I didn't, but now I do. The only goal I ever had numbers wise for my channel when I started out was to reach 1,000 subscribers. But more than that, I just wanted a way to express myself, to like have a creative outlet, to take my mind off exams. That's why I started my channel, and to think it's got to this point is just mental. I remember the feeling of reaching 1,000 subscribers and how overwhelming and happy and exciting it was, and it feels exactly the same today. How many people can say that they still feel like that about their job after 4 years? I feel so lucky. Thank you so much to you watching this video. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching my videos, thank you for sticking around even when I know I'm not the best, but I feel like I'm just normal. So that's why I really appreciate that you subscribed. Now I'm gonna carry on editing this vlog. That's while it lasted. No, I think me and my family are gonna have a glass of Prosecco tonight to celebrate, and a roast dinner, which is my all-time fave. What better way to celebrate, honestly? I'm not even joking. Right guys, I've got my suitcase. I'm just about to pack to go to Leeds tomorrow. I've got a lot of bits and bobs that need to be done. I need to upload this vlog, and priorities, I need to fake tan tonight and wash my hair, etc, etc. So I think I'm going to leave this vlog here because I have no idea what to pack. We have so many plans for this weekend. So many plans, includes going to Spoons. I love me, I'm so extra. So yeah, I need to pack my outfits, pack all my makeup and everything. Get generally ready for tomorrow because right now I could not be less ready to get on a train and go halfway up the country. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm really sorry it's been a bit here, there and everywhere. This week has just been a mishmash of things. My next weekly vlog, however, is a really exciting one because I'm going to Bath to see my friends Sophie and Mac and Sophie's little baby Alfie. So there will be some cute baby footage in the next weekly vlog, and I'm going on my little travels all by myself. So watch out for that in my next weekly vlog. But for now, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments down below, what is the best thing that happened to you this week? I would love to know, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye. Thanks again for 300,000. Woo.